Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Spillimacheen is a small community located in southeastern British Columbia in the wide Columbia Valley between the Rocky Mountains to the east and the Purcell Mountains to the west. The settlement sits near the point where the Spillimacheen River flows into the Columbia River, about 60 kilometers north of Invermere. Surrounded by farmland, forests, and towering mountain peaks, the area offers sweeping views of one of the most scenic valleys in the Canadian Rockies. The name Spillimacheen comes from an Indigenous word believed to refer to the river that flows through the area. Long before European settlement, this valley was part of the traditional territory of the Ktunaxa Nation. For thousands of years, Indigenous peoples traveled through the Columbia Valley using established routes for hunting, fishing, and trade. The rivers and wetlands provided abundant resources, while the valley itself served as a natural travel corridor between the mountains. European exploration began reaching the Columbia Valley during the early 19th century as fur traders and explorers moved westward across the Rocky Mountains. Members of the Hudson's Bay Company traveled along the Columbia River system while mapping routes and establishing trade connections throughout the region. Permanent settlement in the Spillimacheen area began in the late 19th century. Homesteaders were drawn to the fertile soils along the Columbia River and its tributaries. Farming and ranching quickly became the backbone of the local economy, with hayfields, pasture land, and small farms spreading across the valley floor. The broad, flat land along the river made it one of the few places in this mountainous region suitable for agriculture. Transportation has always been important in connecting this remote valley to the outside world. Early settlers relied on rough wagon roads and trails following the river. Over time, improved roads linked communities along the Columbia Valley, eventually becoming part of Highway 95. Today, the highway runs through the region, carrying travelers along a scenic route that follows the river north toward Golden and south toward Invermere and the United States border.
Thank you very much.
The Spillimacheen River itself plays an important role in the landscape. Flowing down from the Rocky Mountains, it winds through forests and open land before meeting the Columbia River. The river and surrounding wetlands support a wide range of wildlife, including deer, elk, waterfowl, and birds of prey. These waterways also contribute to the larger Columbia River wetland system, one of the most significant wetland environments in North America. Nearby mountain ranges provide a dramatic backdrop to the valley. The Purcell Mountains rise steeply to the west, while the Rocky Mountains form a rugged wall to the east. This geography has made the area a destination for outdoor recreation, including hiking, fishing, boating, and wildlife viewing. Today, Spillimacheen remains a small agricultural community with a quiet rural character. Farms and ranches still operate across the valley, continuing traditions that began more than a century ago. Visitors passing through the area often notice the wide open scenery, the winding rivers, and the distant mountain peaks that define this part of British Columbia.
Thanks for watching!